Hello friends, welcome to our channel Agrico's World. In this video, we are going to discuss some of the important MCQs from agricultural statistics. These questions are useful for JRF, SRF and other competitive exams related to agriculture. Now let's move on to our first question. IASRI, that is Indian Agricultural Statistical Research Institute, is located at. IASRI was founded in the year 1930 and it was established under the ICAR, that is Indian Council of Agricultural Research, and it is present at Delhi. IISR, that is Indian Institute of Statistical Research, is located at. Indian Institute of Statistical Research is located at Lucknow. Who is father of vital statistics? John Grant is called as father of vital statistics, whereas R.A. Fisher is known as father of statistics. In statistical terms, single observation or measurement is called as. Here we should be clear with the two terms, that is variable and variant. When coming to the variable, it has a different values and there are two types of variables which are continuous and discontinuous. But when coming to the variant, it is a single observation or a measurement. So our answer is variant. Value of the variant which thoroughly represents the whole series is called as. The value of the variant which thoroughly represents the whole series is called as central tendency, and in central tendency there are arithmetic mean, median, mode and harmonic mean. In all these, a single variant will represent the whole series. What is the most commonly used measure of central tendency? The most commonly used measure of central tendency is arithmetic mean, which is sum of observations by number of observations, and this arithmetic mean is rigidly defined and it is based on all the observations. What is the middlemost value of the variant if they are arranged in ascending order or the descending order? If the values are arranged in ascending or descending order, then the middlemost value is known as the median, and median is only used for the qualitative data such as intelligence, ability and honesty. What is the measure of central tendency used for qualitative data like honesty? As said in the earlier question, median is used for the qualitative data such as intelligence, ability and honesty. So our answer is median. Most frequently occurring value of the variant is. The most frequently occurring value or the value which is repeated a number of times in a given data is known as mode. For measuring the shoe size, average land holdings, what is the measure of central tendency we use? For measuring the model size of the shoes or the size of the ready-made garments or in some business or meteorological forecasting and also in land holdings, we use the measure mode. So our answer is mode. Moving on to the next question. Regression and correlation coefficients are measured by which of the following measure? The regression and correlation coefficients are measured by arithmetic mean. What is the variation of the variance from the central value? The variation of the variance from the central value is known as dispersion. Which of the following is absolute measure of dispersion? Range, mean deviation and standard deviation comes under the absolute measure of dispersion. The dispersion is of two types, that is absolute measures and of relative measures. In absolute measures, range, mean deviation and standard deviation and variance are present. In relative measures, coefficient of variance, standard mean error are present. Calculate the range of the following data: 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The range is calculated by largest value minus the lowest value. The largest value in the given data is 9, whereas the lowest value is 1. So the answer is 8. 8 is the range of the given data. Standard deviation was given by. Standard deviation is the root mean square of variance or the root mean square of the arithmetic mean, and it is denoted by sigma. The standard deviation was given by the scientist Carl Pearson. What is the most commonly used measure of dispersion? The most commonly used measure of dispersion is standard deviation, whereas most commonly used measure of central tendency is arithmetic mean. Calculate the CV, that is coefficient of variation from the given data, where standard deviation is 60 and mean is 30. Usually, coefficient of variation has no units and it is expressed in the form of percentages. Now, when you substitute the data in the formula, that is standard deviation by mean into 100, the answer will be 20%. So, the coefficient of variance for the given data is 20%. What is the square root of standard deviation? The square root of standard deviation is variance and it is vice versa. That is, the square of variance is standard deviation. What is the most commonly used relative measure of dispersion? The most commonly used relative measure of dispersion is coefficient of variation, and the absolute measure, that is the most commonly used absolute measure of dispersion, is standard deviation. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following statistical measurements have no units? It is the coefficient of variation because the coefficient of variation is expressed in percentages. Lack of symmetry is technically known as. The lack of symmetry or the lack of symmetry of frequency distribution is known as skewness, or it is asymmetric. In this type of frequency distribution, the mean is not equal to median, which is not equal to mode. Binomial distribution was given by which of the scientists? The binomial distribution was given by James Bernoulli. In which type of distribution the mean and variance are equal? In Poisson's distribution, the mean is equals to variance, whereas in binomial distribution, the mean is greater than variance. Normal distribution was given by. Normal distribution was given by De Moivre and Gauss. It is also known as Gaussian distribution. The curve shape in normal distribution is. The curve shape of the normal distribution is bell shape, and in this normal distribution, the mean is equal to mode is equals to median. For staying in tune with us, you can also even join our WhatsApp group where the number is displayed on the screen. Thank you friends. I hope you liked our video. If you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Agrico's World for more content related to agriculture.